The journey of luxury soap production begins from nature itself.
This one's ready for transport. Yes, they all look healthy and calm.
Keep them moving steady on the east chute.
Chute 2 is clear. Send the next group up.
Massive transport trucks open their steel gates. Farmers carefully load the white bulls one by one.
We are approaching the industrial zone. Keep an eye on the mirrors. The dust is heavy.
Confirmed, we have the factory in sight. All units prepare for arrival sequence. Temperature is 38.5. Clear on the scan. Recorded. Vitals stable.
Health verification confirmed.
We are maintaining perfect precision on the softening agents.
Good. Let's increase the temperature by 2 degrees.
The viscosity is optimal.
Agreed. We are cleared for the next phase.
All right, bring it back another 2 feet. Copy that. Looks good from here. Dock 4 is clear for departure.
Convoy 7, route is clear to the main highway.
Copy that. Lead. All units holding formation. Oh, look at this packaging, honey. It smells wonderful. Should we get one? That's everything. Did you find everything all right?
Yes, perfect. Tapping now.
All right, here's your bag. Have a great day.
Experience the luxury of a truly global brand. Freshness recognized worldwide. Industrial precision never sleeps. Luxury soap production continues forever. The cycle repeats endlessly.
From raw materials to everyday luxury,